Hi, we are at Times Square back again to on our very popular show, and we have today our special guest and guide who is Mr. Yagnan Narayana Akluri. How are you, Mr. Sir?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Great.
Yeah, how do you feel our show?
I feel your show is like really great, and I myself like to relax after coming home after a long day's work. And yeah, I like your show. It's nice, good.
And we have another guest, special guest over here, Mr. Mahesh.
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing today, sir?
Good. How are you, sir?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, and these two people are now going to walk through and describe about New York, Manhattan and around. So we'll start with Mr. Yagna. Sir, can we go ahead?
Yeah, sure. I was watching that girl, so it's
Yeah, you are not saying anything.
no, I'm busy. Yeah, okay, now it's done. So
Yep.
I've been here to this particular place like more than 10 times. I believe every time I come here, I really feel happy. And I do come here when I'm down and there's something bad going on with me, or even I come here when I'm really happy.
Oh,
So I like this place mainly because of the crowd here, and you know, you see people from a lot of places coming down, and it's like you're not really what you are. I mean, like you're just a person. That's all. You just see yourself as a person. That's all, without any inhibitions or whatsoever. And okay, Mahesh will speak.
okay. So Mahesh, yeah. I think we are on some Manhattan Island.
Yeah, Manhattan Island, and that to a very big city. That is the biggest city in the world, called New York, and in that heart of the city called Manhattan.
Oh, great.
We are here, and at that too at the very popular spot, Times Square. And
What's the peculiarity about this?
Yeah, as you heard, Yagna has explained about the about this place, but what to tell about the New York also. Not only this place, each and every place you go into the New York, it's like this. You will feel happy, you will feel very good. If you are bored with your business life and your office life, you go to any place in the New York, you will feel the same thing what Yagna explained just now.
Okay.
So it's not like only Manhattan, but particularly Manhattan, because a lot of people from different countries, as I heard here, 169 people from 169 countries are coming here, visiting every year. Yes, not only visiting, they are staying for different purposes, for official purpose, for business purpose. So this is the city, that's why it's crowded over here.
Okay, and I heard there is a skyscraper over here nearby. Can you brief a bit
what
about
to
it?
tell about that? Actually, there is a big history also behind that. It's one of the tallest building right now. But before that, as you know, all of you know, there was a World Trade Center, which was the tallest building. But now it is not there. So right now, the not World Trade Center, Empire State Building is the tallest building into the New York, and that is here in this Manhattan Island.
Oh,
It's
that's
near to this place, only 3 to 4 blocks down that side. You can just walk and go there. You can find, because of this height of that building. It's 102 floor building.
Oh.
There is a very good view. If you go there on the upstairs, there is a very good view. You can go till 87th floor. There you can see the very beautiful view of Manhattan, whole Manhattan and New York City.
okay. It is
As long
heard.
as you see,
Sorry to
you will
interrupt
only
you.
find the tall buildings. You will never find even small space in Manhattan. Like that, it's crowded. So you can imagine how crowded New York is.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I heard that lot many Desis, especially Indians, are get assembled over here, and they celebrate major events.
Yes, that's the specialty of New York. Not only of US, that's the specialty of New York. Lots of people are here from India, not only from India, as I said, from different countries, but especially from India also. Lots of people are here, and they are celebrating their festivals, their national national festivals also.
Mhm.
As we say, just a few days back, there was a Diwali over here, and I've been there. It was a very nice festival. Like I feel I was in India because lots of people were there, lots of Indian shops were there, eatery shops were there, and also there was a firecrackers. That was a very nice thing over there, which I saw over there.
Okay.
So
Okay.
every festival like that. These Indian people over here celebrate each and every festival like you are in India.
Okay, Mr. Yagna, I think you have been here since a long time, so you have seen lot many seasons, okay, across this duration. So, which special season do you recollect and which you worth mentioning?
I really like spring. I mean, because the weather is not really cold and it's not really hot, and it's like really great over here. And even for that matter, fall, it's like really good. And you can see the fall colors. We are really planning to go to some place upstate New York. So maybe we'll get a glimpse of the natural fall colors here. And it's really great, the weather and all. You can just like go around with a small jacket, and and still you can enjoy the weather. The main attraction of New York is its crowd. I mean, wherever you go, the trademark is crowd. You see people crowded in the trains at night 3 o'clock. You see people crowded in the trains at morning 6 o'clock. You come at any time of the day, and the whole place is crowded. Yeah, and you feel as if like you've been living here for ages, even if you've lived here for like say 3 months, 2 months, or like whatever it is. So it's a really a place to live. I mean, I really feel lucky that I came here and I stayed here for a very long time.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay.
Conclude.
Yeah. So both of you, it was nice pleasure talking to you and getting detail on Newark and Times Square and Manhattan. And if you can quickly conclude saying about Liberty Statue and Staten Island, that would be great for me.
Yeah, we forgot that. Liberty Statue is great. As you know, like Liberty Statue was presented by the French to the American as a token of friendship.
Right.
And it's on Liberty Island. So you need to take a ferry to go to Liberty Statue. And it's a really huge statue, and there like it's a symbol of liberty for many people across like many years. Whenever they see the Statue of Liberty, they know that they are coming to the land of the freedom. So it's good. And Staten Island, for that matter, yeah, you get a free ferry ride. So you can go there.
Ferry, free ferry.
Yeah, free ferry.
Okay.
So we can go there, and yeah, I think we'll be going there tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow.
Yeah, and
it's a nice place to visit too.
Yes, actually we forgot to tell that there are 4 parts of the New York. Staten Island, just he explained, that is one part of the New York. New York gets divided into 4 parts. That is the Long Island, Queens, 5. Queens, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Bronx, and Staten Island. Yeah. So these are the 5 parts.
Just to conclude our interview, so if you can just tell me like I heard that on some special eves, especially on independence of any nation, this Empire State get illuminated with the colors. Can you just brief me for a minute and we'll conclude?
Yeah, that is the specialty of this Empire State Building again. That is the specialty of Empire State Building again. Because as I explained, there are 169 countries people are staying over here. So each and every Independence Day of the country, they will lighting the Empire State Building with the flag of that country. So that is the specialty of Empire State Building. So we have seen on this year that on 15 August, the Empire State Building was lightning with the our Tiranga.
Okay.
That was very nice.
That's cool. That's cool. Really.
Yeah.
It got illuminated with tricolors, and we regularly see that whichever the country is celebrating their independence, usually there would be a march by those country civilians over here, and the Empire State, which is the tallest building now on this island, will be illuminated in night with the country colors. And by this we conclude, and I sincerely thank both of you for giving me such a detailed documentary about this. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Yeah,
thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks. Bye.
Once until I will speak about the New York. New York is the city which never sleeps.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
बाय सर।
बाय
देगा हमारे
विक्ट्री।
गालियाँ भी देगा। बोला क्या?